We are going to find the value of x raised to the power of x, where x is 2 raised to the power of 2. To find the value of x to the power of x, it is enough we plug the value of x instead of this x and this x. So it is going to be 2 raised to the power of 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. This one is this x, this one is this x. As you know, 2s squared or 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So I will write it in the form of 2 raised to the power of 2 to the power of 4. Now to continue the solution, I'm going to follow an exponential rule that says a to the power of m raised to the power of n is same as a to the power of m times n. So it is going to be 2 to the power of these 2 times 4, which means 8. And 2 raised to the power of 8 is our correct answer. All right, the question says 48 is 150% of which number? So what do we have here? 48, I write it here, is equals 150%. I write it in the form of 150 over 100 of times which number? We are going to find the value of this number. 100 divided by 50 is 2. 150 divided by 50 is 3. So it is going to be in the form of 48 equals 3 over 2 times this number. To find the value of this x, I divided both sides by coefficient of x, which means 3 over 2. This one and this one can be cancelled off. So we have x equals 48 over 3 over 2. Division to multiplication. So it is going to be 48 times the reverse of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 48 divided by 3 is 16. And 16 times 2 equals 32. And this is the correct answer, option B. We are going to find the value of a minus b, where a plus b is 2, x is larger than 1, and this important information in the question that says x raised to the power of a squared over x raised to the power of b squared equals x raised to the power of 16. Let me rewrite this information here. X raised to the power of a squared over x raised to the power of b squared equals x raised to the power of 16. This is in the form of a to the power of m over a to the power of m. Same base, different exponents. So I write a base and m minus n. In this case, it is going to be same base. I write a base, so exponent a squared minus b squared. This is our left side. Right side, we have x raised to the power of 16. Next, same base, exponent must be same. So from here we get result a squared minus b squared equals 16. What is this difference of 2a squared? That can be written in the form of a minus b times a plus b. This is our left side, right side 16. So what is a plus b? We have a plus b equals 2, so I substitute 2 here. So 2 times a minus b, our left side equals right side 16. Both sides divided by 2. These two can be cancelled off, and 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So 8 is the correct answer. What is the value of 5x? This angle is 90, so this angle is 90. X plus 2x plus 2x is gonna be 90. X plus 2x, 3x plus 2x, 5x equals 90. We are asked to find the value of 5x, which means 90. Option C. 40% of 30 equals what percent of 48? 40% of times 30 equals what percent? X times 48. This 0 with these two zeros cancel off. 4 times 3, 12 equals x times 48. Both sides divided by 48. This 48 cancel off. 12 divided by 12, 1. 48 divided by 12, 4. So x is going to be 1 over 4. Percentage. times 100. It is going to be 25%. Option P. We are going to find the value of 8p where p cube equals 2. So let me write it here. 2 equals p cube. What is the value of p? To do this, I'm going to take cube root of both sides. So this 3 as exponent, this 3 as root can be cancelled off. The value of p is going to be cube root of 2. Now we are going to find the value of 8p, which means 8 times the value of p cube root of 2. Let's see what is the correct answer. Option D. But wait, it can be the correct answer? Absolutely not. Why? This is second root, and here we have cube root. So what should we do to find the correct answer? This is not correct. 8p. What is the value of 8? 8 can be written in the form of 2 cube times p. What is the value of 2? 2 is p cube, right? I write here p cube. So let's see, what do we have? P cube raised to the power of 3 times p. What is this? P cube raised to the power of 3 is p raised to the power of 3 times 3, or 9 times p. What is this? As you know, a to the power of m times a to the power of n, same base, write a base at exponent. So it is going to be p to the power of 9 times p to the power of 1, or p to the power of 9 plus 1 is 10. And this is the correct answer. Option C. 500%, which means 500 over 100. 50%, which means 50 over 100. These two zeros can be cancelled off. So on top we have 5. 50 divided by 50 is 1. 100 divided by 50 is 2. We have 1 over 2 denominator. It can be written in the form of 5 divided by 1 over 2. I can convert it to the multiplication, which means 5 times the reverse of 1 over 2 is 2 is 10. 10 is a number. We need to convert it back to the percentage, which means 10 times 100. 1, 3 zeros, which means 1000. Option D is the correct answer. We are going to find the value of x where 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is 192. Left side, what do we have? 3 times 4 raised to the power of x. Look, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 to the power of x. So I rewrite it in the form of 3 times 4 to the power of x. Right side, 192. To continue the solution, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of 4 to the power of x, which means 3. This 3 with this 3 can be cancelled off. 192 divided by 3 is 64. So what do we have here? Left side, 4 raised to the power of x. Right side, we have 64. What is 64? 64 can be written in the form of 4 raised to the power of 3. Now we are going to work on this one and this one. So we have 4 to the power of x equals 4 raised to the power of 3. Same base, exponent must be same. So option C. We are given this triangle. We are asked to find out the area of this rectangle. I said the length of this side as x and this side as y. So the area of this rectangle is going to be area x times y. No need to find the value of x and y separately. It is enough we find out the product of x and y. But how? I'm going to use the similarity between this triangle and this triangle. Look, this angle is right angle, this angle is right angle. This angle equals this angle, and also this angle equals this angle. So these two triangles are similar. Remember, if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides equal. So I write 4 over y equals x over 3. It is enough I use cross product. So 4 times 3 is going to be x times y. And this is our answer. 12. Option C. We have second root of 16% minus 4%. Second root of 16%, which means This is second root 16 over 100 minus 4%. Second root of 16% can be written in the form of second root of 16 over second root of 100 minus 4 over 100. Next, second root of 16 is 4 over second root of 100 is 10 minus 4 over 100. The common denominator is 100. 10 times 10 is 100, so 4 times 10 is 40 minus 4. 40 minus 4 is 36 over 100. 36 over 100 is same as 36%. So option D is the correct